Sophia, what?
Please buy me one that toy.
I'm sorry.
Why?
Let's go find mom.
But why can you not buy me one that toy? Please tell me
Cause
why.
you a little bit like spoiled.
No, no.
Okay, let's go find mom.
Wait. Please buy me one that toy.
What is that? What face you make?
Puppy face.
What face?
Puppy face.
Okay. You know we're gonna go. We should go in the opposite direction. Where are we going, Sophia?
Buy me one that toy.
Oh, no, Sophia, you should go in opposite direction. Sorry. I'm sorry, Sophia. I love you. You know it? I'm sorry, daughter. You know how expensive to buy a toy every time?
It's fine. This is the last time. I promise, Daddy.
This was last time.
I'm not going to say last time anymore. Why is this taking a video, Daddy?
Sophia, you know you spoiled.
No. I'm not spoiled.
Yes, you are.
How?
Cause I can't say no to you.
Oh. That's what spoiled me?
Yeah, it's like if you all the time, I wanted this, I wanted that.
That's spoiled?
Yep.
I do understand the word.
But Sophia, it's gonna be last time, right? Look in my eyes.
Yep.
Look again.
Yep.